good afternoon and good evening, everyone. Today I'll be changing the mid pipe on this thing. I went with MRT back here that I got over here. It's gonna be the non-catted, the catless H pipe. I was originally gonna do headers and all that stuff, but I decided to go this route first, just to kind of see what it sounds like, and hopefully it's gonna make it a lot louder, which it's supposed to. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I've never done any kind of work like this before, and supposedly it's supposed to take about an hour or so for the installation, at least according to the website, right? Went and grabbed a couple tools earlier, which should be needed for this install. I'll show you guys kind of how the pipe is supposed to look, and this is from their site if it wants to focus. Anyways, I didn't want to focus, so, but I'll be able to show you guys whenever I open the package up, and that way y'all can see kind of what it looks like. But it should be kind of fun to do, hopefully, and we'll see how it sounds like right after. So I'll get back with you guys and film the rest. Okay, just a quick update. We're still working on it. We currently got the car on jacks and all that stuff. So this is the off-road H pipe that I'll be throwing on in there. So far, now we're getting to the part where we're disconnecting the factory pipe, made pipe, and then we're gonna remove all that. We have the O2 sensors disconnected right now, and then we're working our way out there, and then we'll take that one out, put the new H pipe in there, and hopefully get everything back together. So far, the most complicated part has been removing the top nut that's up here. I mean, you won't be able to see it because it's dark in there, but it was a 15 mm, and you need a bunch of extensions to get down to it. So yeah, we'll see how the rest of it goes, and then hopefully we'll throw in this together and we'll see how it sounds like. Okay, so last night we were able to throw it in everything together and put everything back together. Thankfully, I was able to drive it home, but it started raining a lot. But everything worked out so far, and so far we haven't noticed any leaks or anything like that. I was able to get it home yesterday, and ended up recording how the first startup sounded like. And honestly, I was expecting it a little bit to be a lot louder. But and that's just comparing to the other videos that I've seen. So, but we'll see how the cold start looks, and yeah, I'm kind of excited too. And I did notice, of course, yes, it was a little bit louder driving it home, but it was raining a lot too. So I don't know, I'll throw in a lot of other videos later down the road to see how the new exhaust will sound like. Yeah, it was a little complicated to install it, but nothing too extreme, you know. Just gotta be patient with it and throwing in everything in there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start it again the next day. This is the very next morning, and then we'll see how that cold start sounds like. And of course, no engine lights so far. So, but with these catless ones, you do need to get it tuned, so that's gonna be next, is getting it tuned, and of course trying to find one that's local and all that stuff. So all right, let's see how it sounds like. overall, satisfied. And I think this is one of the last companies that make it. I went with the MRT non-catted pipe or mid pipe. So yeah, if y'all want to look for a little bit louder system, give it a shot. It's gonna take you a couple hours to get it thrown in together, maybe less. So, but I don't know. Maybe next couple videos I'll throw in exhaust clips and all that stuff and make other content. So I appreciate y'all for watching and subscribing. Hopefully more videos coming up next.